you know what? That wasn't actually the worst run compared to last time I was on it. I mean, it's still pretty chopped up, but I do think this board holds its own a little bit, which is quite. It's quite. There was one turn during all of that where I was like, oh no, I'm in the diagonal side slip. Other than that, everything else was quite driven. It's quite rolly, quite nice. I'm still interested to see what my hillside position looks like with my back a little bit straighter. Is it better? Is it worse? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I think in my head it works out that it should be better. Yeah, that was not the worst run I've ever been on. It was the worst run I've been on before. It was terrible. So I think this lift, it has a midpoint, so you can like get off halfway. But I think I might just ride it to the top. Oh, I really hate days off, you know. I'd so much be rather teaching, even teaching skiing. I know it sounds bad, but it is my snowboard journey after all. But yeah, I would very much like to be teaching, but I've got today off, and then tomorrow's off, and then either tomorrow or Friday is going to be shut, so that's sucky. It would be nice to have a shut day on a day that I'm off. That would be the ideal scenario. But yeah. I'd like to be able to teach some more adults. Same sort of thing with Big White. Like it's very hard to sell privates to kids or after a kids lesson, just because the kids are getting it for so cheap, and the parents, a lot of the time, parents want to go and ski whatever, and it's just like it's a organised daycare with extra, like they're gonna get better, and it's all above board and qualified and all that stuff, but at the end of the day they're just like, well, you know what, it's super cheap, I can just stick them in there, they're gone for the day, they can go and enjoy themselves, get a bit of me time, a bit of time out, and that's cool. But yeah, it's just super hard. I mean, I say that, I have done it, I did actually sell a kid's private, but yeah, it's a lot harder. Like when you got adults, you can sort of tell straight away if it's something they want to do. So some of them, they'll book a group and they go, oh, do you know what, yeah, if I book a private I can just be done with lessons, I can go and enjoy myself. Or do you know what, I really like having you around, you make me feel safe, so yeah, I'd like to book again, that sort of thing. But yeah, so if I could teach some more adults, I think my rate would be a lot better. So I think this is the midpoint here, so as a matter of fact, to turn my board sideways, I'll just lift it up, I guess. I don't know. Hey, yeah. But yeah, conundrum with the matriarch. I don't know what we're going to do. Like, I'm starting to rip around with it. It's definitely stiffer, it's definitely better for like shorter turns. I'm starting to feel when I go faster, as Jamie used to say, the forces on the board. I'm not quite sure if I'm I mean, I guess I'm creating them. I'm not quite sure if I'm using them to their full potential yet. That seems like a new run. Where's that go? Ah, do you know what that is? That's when you turn left, but then you end up at the bottom of the... I see. I wanna get this ball in the air some more, I think. That's the goal for the day. Just get it up in the air. Like, it feels way more stable, even though it's like thinner. It's definitely not a park board, but if I could do park one stuff with it, then I would be quite happy, you know. Very interesting. It's so quiet, like this is like big white quiet, apart from everyone's condensed into this area, whereas big white is quiet because they're all spread out. This guy's got his carve on, look at him go. Yeah, look at those knees, boy. That back knee is gonna get right down the floor. Yeah, buddy. Driving it. Yeah, interesting stuff. Getting jumps. I hit that quite fast, not to know. Gee, he went big, dude. He went big and then he went home. Cool precision, let's go. But I think they're pretty shit.